Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Educational Learning. I hope आपण सेफ थिबे। चलंतु आजिर वीडियोटी को स्टार्ट करवा। आजिर वीडियोटी रे टॉपिक होउछि कि फिलोसॉफी, जहा कि आमे आगुरु मध्य जानिथिबा फिलोसॉफी कोन, फिलोसॉफी केउंटु आसीछि ता विषय रे आज आमे डिस्कशन करवा। तो व्हाट इज फिलोसॉफी? फिलोसॉफी कहले आपण माने कोन बुझुचंती? The word derived from Greek word philos and sophia. Philos means hoji love, sophia means hoji wisdom. So it means love of wisdom. Then amara sila philosophy is a search of knowledge and wisdom. Philosophy गोटे की जहा कि आमे ज्ञान को खोजबार ये गोटे नूतन प्रयास है। Philosophy is a guide for living because the issue it addresses are basic and universal, determining the courses we take in life. Philosophy की गोटे is a guide for living. आम living पे से गोटे guide because the issues it addresses are basic and universal, determining the course we take in your life. Okay. Next time पढ़िबा definition of philosophy. Our features कहिथिले philosophy is the science of knowledge. Dr. Radhakrishna कहिथिले कि philosophy is a logical inquiry into the nature of reality. Third रे आसिले हमर जोस्पी ए लाइट ऑन से कहिथिले philosophy like a science consists of theory of insight arrived at as a result of systematic reflections. Rousseau कहिथिले philosophy like other studies aims primarily at knowledge. Plato कहिथिले कि philosophy aims at a knowledge of the internal nature of things. Alfred Weber कहिथिले philosophy is a search for a comprehensive view of nature and attempt at universal explanations of the nature of things. ये कहिथिले कि Alfred Weber. Next ଆମର Raymond कहिथिले philosophy is an increasing effort to discover the general truth lies behind the particular fact, to describe also the reality that is behind appearance. Okay. आमे इने जानबे कि फिलोसॉफी रो ब्रांचेस है। एपिस्टेमोलॉजी रो डेफिनेशन जानबा। ए रोची डेफिनेशन एपिस्टेमो मीन्स होची नॉलेज एंड logos means hochi study. So in other words we can say that epistemology is the study of the nature, source and validity of knowledge. Ask questions such as what is truth and how do you know. ये रहला हमारा epistemology का definitions. एपिस्टेमोलॉजिक्स रो अंडर रे कौन कौन सब जाउछि से गुडा का मैंने डिस्कशन करबे जेंती एग्नोस्टिसिज्म, स्पेक्टिज्म ए दीटा जाइतला ना, ए दीटा जाका हम डिस्कशन करबा। तो एग्नोस्टिसिज्म इज द व्यू ऑफ एक्सटेंस ऑफ गॉड, ऑफ द डिवाइन और द spirit supernatural is known or supernatural of known or unknowable. Spectism, the theory that creation's knowledge is impossible. This involves asking questions about any knowledge. Then I'm पढ़िबा axiologics theory. Axiologics एटा गोटे theory of value जाको कहंदी what is right, what is wrong हला. तार डेफिनेशन कहया गले मेड ऑफ टू ग्रीक वर्ड axios जार अर्थ होची value or worth and logos material means material merit study of. So axiology is the philosophical study of the value and the value original meant the worth of something. Axiology asks the questions such as what is value and where do value come from. केउंठारु से आसी अछि. ओके नेक्स्ट आसला हमर ethics and aesthetics. Ethics होची the branches of knowledge that deals with moral principles, and aesthetics is the branches of philosophy concerned with the nature and appearance of art, beauty and good taste.